I guess it's faded, and I'm gonna unbox my wooden tech deck. It's the first one I've ever gotten. Like, seriously. So yeah, I'm gonna unbox it. Yeah, see what I got. I already opened it. It's upside down because I opened it. See what was inside. So I'm just gonna take out all the hardware and stuff, as you can call it. I got like, wow, these are shiny trucks. Got shiny trucks with gold nuts. Yeah, gold nuts. I got a plant-based sticker because I got a Ryan Sheckler board. The only reason I got a Ryan Sheckler board is because they had either a toy machine which was pink, and I don't want a pink toy machine, so I don't want that at all. Got a piece of grip tape. Oh my god, yeah, my hands are all sticky. So I got some grip. Got 4 wheels, some nuts, some screws, and then a new style tech deck tool, which I hear isn't too good. But this one is in perfect shape. So I'm gonna try opening up the deck right now. It's a 5. I know it's not the smartest way of opening up something. If I can find it. This phone tape deck that I got yesterday. Ah, crap. So I guess I'm gonna have to rip it up by hand, or open it by hand. I mean, here is the board. It's like a round shape of pinky. You get it, pinky. So now the board case kind of snaps right out, showing the deck. Here's the essentials of it. Okay, so the top ply is lacquered nicely, so is the bottom ply. Top is nice. It looks like to me 5 plies. But it's the bottom ply kind of goes over it. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, this isn't focusing too well. Like I said, my camera's crap. Well, it's my mom's camera, but I'm checking the color. So I'm gonna go set it up right now.